What's up, party people? Doing something a little different today. I am doing an unboxing video of the new Microsoft Surface Pro that I just bought. Also eating dinner right now, so I guess you could call this like a mukbang or whatever they call it, and an unboxing video all at once. I don't know. It's Thursday night. I just got done with a photo shoot. My makeup is just about melted off. My hair is getting flat. I'm tired. I'm hungry. And repping Rock and Brews as always. Shout out to all my Rock and Brews buddies out there. Even those of us that don't even work there but still wear Rock and Brews clothes every day because it's so comfortable. So, I got my nuggets. I got my Chick-fil-A sauce because duh. And I got the beautiful and brand new Microsoft Surface Pro. I don't know anything about electronics or laptops or anything like that, so I'm just gonna tell you all the numbers and letters on the back, and maybe those of you that know things about electronics will understand which one this is. So this, I don't know, you guys. Can you see that? You see all that shit? I don't know. This was on sale at Best Buy this past weekend for $599. It was definitely time for Jake and I to get a new laptop. We've been talking about it for a little while. The one that we have is on its last life. It is a Toshiba that is probably about 6 years old, and I love it so much. It's been through a lot with me, but it is extremely slow and now only works if it is plugged in. If you unplug it, it will not turn on anymore. So, of course, with these videos that I've been doing, anything to do with a website, blogging, stuff like that, I do a lot of writing. I need a freaking laptop or a tablet. Anything is helpful. And Jake is going to be needing a laptop more and more at home as well. And then we have a little traveling coming up in the future as well. So we wanted to get a 2-in-1. That way we could use it as a tablet. Maybe when we are traveling, we can watch movies on an airplane and things like that. So super, super excited. I didn't know anything about what I wanted to get. My best friend Jonathan is really tech savvy, so I just called him up and I said, what should I get? And this was the first one that he sent me, and so I just went and got it. This is such a long intro. What am I doing here? Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. First, I need a nugget. Before I do anything, I need to get some food in my mouth. Shout out to all my girls out there that said they were gonna start their diet on Monday. And it's Thursday, now you're eating chicken nuggets. This is the mukbang portion of the video. It's Thursday. This video will probably go up on, probably not tomorrow. Maybe Saturday I'll upload this video, but you may not see it till Monday. Who knows? But I get to edit on this new 2-in-1 laptop that I'm about to open. I'm very excited about that. Okay, just kidding. Here we go. Let's get started. I'm gonna get in this plastic. Broke the seal. Here we go. I got you in nice and close. Turn around so you guys can see here. Take this lid off. Ooh. Oh yes, you can see my reflection in it. It's a pretty good size. Just gonna lift that out of there. Let's see what all we got. So first, just pulled out this screen here. You can see the back. Oh yes, I got my nails all bougie. It's healthy, you guys. You're welcome. Making it look all the more special and beautiful. And then we've got these little like trap doors. What are these? Oh, okay. We've got a, it's like a little note. Well, that's adorable. So the instructions came, it's like an invitation almost. We've got our instruction manuals here, which I'll probably never look at, even though I should. I'm gonna pull this out. Yeah, looks like we've got our beautiful charger here. Is there anything else in here? Am I the only one that thought this was supposed to come with a keyboard? Am I stupid? Chicken nugget break. Careful not to get any nugget on the new computer. I'm a little confused. I guess I just assumed that the keyboard came with it because it's a 2-in-1. So I assumed if you bought a 2-in-1, you got both parts. But I guess I should have known that with the way that technology is sold nowadays, they sell everything separately. That way you have to buy each individual part and spend more money. They asked me if I wanted to buy the pen, like the little stylus pen to draw with, and I was like, no, we're probably not going to use that. They didn't say anything about a keyboard, so I guess now I have to purchase a keyboard. I'm still very excited. It's going to be awesome. At least I got my nuggets. My nuggets never let me down. And you know what? You get some sauce. And you know what? You get the Chick-fil-A sauce for free, alright? Alright, well, I guess that's the end of this video. And now my cat's on the table shaking the camera again because he cannot stay out of my videos. You know what? If this is what you want. You want all the attention? You come in here and you meow during my videos, and then you come up here and you try to jump on my camera. So you need to reveal yourself. I'm not really sure what this video is, but I enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week. And also follow me on social media. You can follow me for more beauty, style, and makeup tips. And you can keep up with my photo shoots that I've been doing. You can follow me at Amanda Winks right here. And love you guys. See you later. Bye.